Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was a freedom fighter and a founder of New India after independence. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was born on 11th November 1888 at Mecca in Saudi Arabia. His father name was Muhammad Khairuddin and mother name was Alia. He was married at the age of 13 to a young Muslim girl, Zulaikha Begum. He was the first education minister of independent India. He served the country from 1947 to 1958 as the education minister. He improved the literacy rate of India by making the education system of India strong when the entire nation was suffering from widespread illiteracy. Maulana Azad was also played a major role in the establishment of the University Grants Commission (UGC), which is the regulatory body for all higher educational institutes in India. He was also responsible for establishing the first Indian Institute of Technology in the country. National Education Day of India is celebrated on 11th November every year on the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He died on 22nd February 1958 due to a heart attack in Delhi.